What's up guys, brand new day. Back in California after my 2-day Electric XP Arizona work trip. And I felt like I owed you guys a high-speed e-bike ride after I teased it in the previous video. Well, today the bike is fully charged and yeah, we're gonna take her for a spin. I gotta drop off a couple packages at the UPS store. We might ride around for a little bit, but yeah, I felt like I owed you guys, so that's what we're gonna do today. Let me show you what this bike can really do. We're already going 27 miles per hour. This is a slight incline too. Yeah, this bike is getting out. Here we go. We're gonna hit 40 miles per hour today. Watch. Should I stop at the stop sign? Nope. 37. Come on, can we hit 40? 37. Oh, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. This bike is low-key dangerous. Oh my God. I think the handlebars just went down too. Oh no. Hold on. We're not gonna run through the stop sign. I know you guys are probably heated at the last one. Hold on, I need to fix something. I have an alarm. I do. All right, we're in the game now. Let's do one lap around the parking lot. Here we go. My tires aren't the best. Shee. Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna slip out. Good morning. Nope. I gotta take it easy over here. We got some dogs. I'm not trying to startle the dogs. Let's test these brakes, see if they still work. They are hydraulic, so they should be working fine. Oh yeah, I think I need new tires though. Jesus, oh my God, you can see the freaking blue lining underneath. They just opened up this street right here. It used to be blocked off. We're gonna take a different route, even though it's like technically the longer way. And we just ran a red light, sorry. There we go. This is dope. Brand new street. It's like no potholes in the street whatsoever. We're gonna run right through the stop sign. Oh shit. Woo! We should have cut over that way. That was a shortcut. We're gonna turn around and we're gonna venture over here. Cause this is all new pavement and I like it. We're gonna bust through the stop sign again. Woo! Yeah, this is sick. All right, we're gonna stop at this one, even though there's nobody here. All right, then it leads to the cul-de-sac. We need to cross the street though. There we go. That's not gonna work. Oh, that's not gonna work. There we go. A little creative driving. Nobody saw nothing. And here we are at the UPS store. If you guys are interested in picking up a turtleneck stem, currently we have turtleneck shorties in stock, and I can ship those out in like a couple days. Other than that, we're doing pre-orders, so just check the website if you guys are interested. I'll leave a link down below like I always do. Let's go ahead and handle some business, and then we're gonna hop back on the bike and have a little bit more fun before we go home. Oh, they're closed today? What the heck? What's today? What time do they open? Am I early or something? What's going on? Nah, they're just getting set up.
Yeah, you could do it Amazon.
Can I do a USPS drop off? Yeah. You guys got hacked or something?
No.
Just They just say they changed locks, so we all.
Oh, I see.
Screwed right now.
Got you. It's over here. This one. Thank you. All right, change of plans. I just got hit up by my cousin Bojam. You guys know Bojam, but he's in the area. I'm about to link up with him just to say what's up. So I need to put this address in my phone real quick. Hold on. Let's see if we can actually beat him to the destination. He said he was 10 minutes away, so I think we're about 8. First, we're gonna eat this hill going 26 miles per hour. Let's see if we can go 30 up the hill. 28, come on. 28, 29, come on, we can go 30. 30, 30, 30. We're going 30 miles per hour up this hill, guys. Let's go. Shout out to 72 volts. We're gonna bust a left with this car right here. Come on, green light. Come on. Damn it. All right, we're about to go downhill. Let's see if we can hit 40 miles per hour for you guys. I know it's technically cheating, but who cares? Let's go. 40 miles per hour is 40 miles per hour. 35, 36, 37, 38. Come on, we can't hit 40. 39. Hopefully there's no potholes coming up. 40. 41. Oh yeah. 41 miles per hour. Let's go. Oh my God, it never gets old, guys. We're almost there. I think we're about to beat them. That was definitely not 8 minutes. That was like 4 minutes. I forgot that this bike is faster than most e-bikes, so this is basically like I'm riding a motorcycle. We're actually gonna get over and turn with this car. Hopefully we make this light though. Here we go. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And it should be this street right here. It's like somewhere around here. Hold on. I'm pretty sure we beat Bojam though, so he should be pulling up any second now. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're right here on the street. Dude, that was quick as hell. Let's go. Now we're just gonna wait for Bojam to turn around this corner and yeah. Actually, I got a better idea. As soon as he hits that corner, we're gonna start doing donuts on our freaking bike. Here we go. Let's just get in position already. Here we go. There he is. What's up, man? I was like, as soon as he hit that corner, I'm about to hit some donuts.
Oh, you might have me.
Yeah, let's get it. Dude, that's dope. That's actually heavier than I thought. Ready? Yeah. Dude, my back is done. Already. The hell? Dude, my back is literally done just from this 2 thing. Oh, fuck, Jim. I did help my dad with some cars.
Oh.
We had to go to LA. And he found like this old car that he been wanting, like his dream car basically. But the dude was like a hoarder. So he had like helly shit. And other cars that we had to move. Okay, hold on, dude, my back is literally done. Let's go ahead and head back home. That was a nice surprise by my boy Jam. That's gonna do it for the video though. Hope you guys enjoyed this semi-high-speed ride on the electric XP. And yeah, we're gonna finish this out with a 40 mile per hour downhill top speed run. Let's see if we can do it. 40 miles per hour. 28, here we go. 30, 31, 34, 36, 37, and 38, and 38, and that's it. We're topping out at 36. I feel like this battery's super old. We'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, deuces. Like that. This truck's trying to keep up with me.